Today we will do the excretory system. Excretory system of the Palimon. This is the last slide, YouTube, for this chapter. This excretory system, that is, it has again two parts. One is structure as well as the physiology part, how they work. The structure there is present, it is consist of antennary gland. अपने च केड़ी हुंदी है जेड़ा एक्सक्रीशन करदा है किडनी, ठीक है, वन पेयर ऑफ किडनी। ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ वन पेयर ऑफ एंटेनरी ग्लैंड, वन पेयर ऑफ एंटेनरी ग्लैंड्स, और its second name is green gland. Why it is called antennary gland? It is present in the antenna, so it is got the name antennary gland. Its situation is on है ना एंटीन्यूली एंटीना पढ़िया ना आप अपेंडिचेस केड़े वाले सेफेलिक अपेंडिचेस, और they are consist of two parts, antennary gland and renal sac. It is made up of two parts. It has. Now first, this antennary gland, it has further three parts. This is one part is end sac, another is glandular plexus, and third one is ureter, and this lateral ducts and renal sac. पता लग गया? ਇਹਦਾ ਨਾਮ एंटेनरी ग्लैंड क्यों पाया है? Because situation of the antenna, situation of the antenna, ठीक है। antennary gland, that is first part is end sac. This end sac, it is a double cup like structure, double cup like structure. Its outer membrane, that is a smooth one, and its inner membrane, that is convoluted, or it contain huge blood sinuses, blood lacuna. Clear hai? Outer to that there is present glandular plexus. This is again 1 2 3 4 5. It is also made up of multi membrane structure, ठीक है, मल्टी मैमब्रेन स्ट्रक्चर है, दिखता पाया सानू। और इदां दे बाहर देयर इज प्रेजेंट यूरेटर, outside the this end sac, one side there is present glandular plexus, on the another side there is present ureter, ठीक है। This end plate is covered by on both side, left and ventral side, by the another membrane structure. On the outside there is present, it is again a double membrane structure, or it has a small opening which is called the this is ureter, or this opening is called the renal aperture or excretory aperture, from where undigested food is come out of the nitrogenous waste matter is come out of the body. Just below there is present the lateral duct, two lateral duct, one from either antennary gland. Clear hai? Two lateral ducts. Then these two lateral ducts, they join with each other, and they join with each other and form a renal sac, or on the upper side they are connected with each other by the transfer duct. I think structure is clear. Again I am telling, there is end sac, end sac which is double membraned, outer membrane is smooth and inner membrane is convoluted, and it has huge blood sinuses or blood vacuoles. Outer to outside there is present another structure, glandular plexus, which is again made up of many layers, or these tubular like structures, they are blinded on both the sides. Inner to it there is another one tube which is smaller to the outer one. On the opposite side of this end sac there is present another cup like structure which is double membrane, inner membrane and outer membrane. This outer membrane that has another tube like structure, that is called the ureter. This total structure is called a ureter. Not only this one, this total structure is called ureter, or this ureter that has a one opening, that is called the renal aperture. Just below this total antennary gland, this leads to a small tubes that is called the lateral duct. These two lateral ducts then join with each other and form a renal sac, or on the upper side there is present transfer duct. This is the basic histological ki ਇਹਨਾਂ 'ਚ present है. It is made up of connective tissue, glandular plexus and excretory tubules. These excretory tubules, they are equivalent to the nephrons which are present in our kidney. Here you can see the blood lacuna which I have told you in the case of end sac. Clear? Wall of bladder, wall of end sac. This is convoluted. Now, physiology. As we all know, the function of excretory system is to produce the nitrogenous waste matter. Nitrogenous waste matter. Here they excrete the ammonia and urea. Write down what are these. Ammonia, they remove the ammonia, uric acid and a little bit urea. First from the end sac, क्योंकि खून है ना थे, इस करके from the end sac. Now in my yesterday lecture, the antennary in circulatory system, antennary artery कल पढ़ाई सी ना मैं, that is enter into the antenna. From the antenna they are enter into these structures. उस antennary artery तो there is excretion of nitrogenous waste, means ammonia, that is excreted from this end sac. Clear? Excretion takes place from end sac. This is first step. क्योंकि ਆਪਾਂ 3 processes पढ़ने आ किदे विच physiology of the excretion च केड़े है. First is केड़ा हुंदा ultrafiltration. Second is secretion. Second is secretion, और ਇਹਨੂੰ अच्छे तरीके नाल किया जाए तो reabsorption, selective reabsorption. Third is secretion. Again, first is ultrafiltration, second is reabsorption, selective reabsorption, third is secretion. Now first part, that is done by our Bowman capsule in our kidney, by the nephrons. They do that. Here this end sac, why it is convoluted? Because they have number of blood vacuoles from where the excretion of ammonia is takes place. Clear? That is first process. Then is the uric acid, that is also excreted from this portion. Then this from excretory they enter the this glandular plexus. Then that solution along with water and some other electrolytes, they passes into the glandular plexus. Here also from glandular plexus they enter into the lateral duct. Uthon it enter into the lateral ducts. Lateral ducts, so it enter into the renal sac. Here the, listen, here the second process, reabsorption, selective reabsorption, ਜਿਹੜੇ यूजफुल चीज़ां भी आ गईयां ਉਹ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ, ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲ ਜਾਣਗੀਆਂ। ਇੱਥੋਂ ਐਕਸਕ੍ਰੀਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ, ਵਾਟਰ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਰੀਅਬਜ਼ॉर्प्शन। क्लियर है? सेकंड प्रोसेस इज टेक्स प्लेस हेयर, देन दे अगेन मूव एंड फ्रॉम द यूरेटर सोल्यूशन इस तरह करके मूव करेगा, देन फ्रॉम द यूरेटर